Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to reopen Instagram photos already viewed in mobile. So let's get started. First thing first, Instagram does not have a built-in feature to reopen photos or posts that we have already viewed within the mobile app. But we definitely have some alternative ways. So first thing first, open the chats and view the photos. And once you have viewed the photos, you can see that you can't view it after it. You can't view it even when you tap on it, it's not available. So, in order to get that back, simply go to the control panel and tap on the airplane mode on and off. After that, simply go to the chat again and there you can see view photo option available again. Now tap on it and turn it off. And will it work for the second time? Then no, it only works once with the only one photo. And that is it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.